Hey there folks, Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this week's trade of the week setup. In this video we're going to go over one of the assets that I'm looking to trade this week. It is the EURJPY. And before I actually get into the video why I'm looking to trade this asset this week, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into the trade setup. Okay, if you're new to the channel, it is a weekly swing trade, meaning we open on Monday, which is today, and we close on a Friday. Okay, we enter at the pending order. We enter the pending order into our trading platforms, and we either enter with the pending order or on a MACD divergence. You can download the MACD divergence indicator below in the description area of this video on YouTube. If it's not there, just simply send me an email at will@fxace.com and I will send it over to you. Okay, so the way I trade the markets is I go from a top-down analyst. Okay, first off, I go to the monthly charts. Okay, and I'm looking for areas, possible selling and buying areas on the chart, on the monthly charts. Okay, that is the current monthly zone there. Okay, you can see price is making its way up towards it. It has taken out these highs here, okay, and then dropped. We'll zoom down into the weekly charts and see what's happening on it. Okay, so this is the reason I'm looking to take this trade this week. Okay, you can see price just popped up over these weekly zones here, so I think that was just a stop hunt. I went over this in a video a few weeks ago. Okay, the market's just popped up and then rallied back down, or dropped back down from there. Okay, what's actually happened is key here to me for the trade setup that I'm looking to do this week. Okay, you can see that this long-term trend line on the weekly chart has been broken. Okay, what tends to happen now is price will come back up to the area where the area that caused the break of the trend. Okay, this is the area here, the sell-off that caused the break of the trend. So I'm going to draw this zone in here. Okay, let's do it. What's this here? Start of the move there. Okay, and what I'm actually going to do now is zoom into the daily charts to see if we can get a precise pinpoint entry from the actual area that actually caused the break. Okay, so you see this is the trend here, trend line. So the weekly trend line here. Just draw it on the daily. Okay, and this area here is the area that actually caused the break. Okay, this is where the market actually started to drop around 133. Okay, so where I'm looking at, I'm not going to actually go this far up. Where I'm looking to trade, this is 132.9. Okay, so I'm looking for it just to pop up a little bit further this week to around this. You can see this is a bit of a resistance that's formed in the daily charts here. It actually hit it last week and started to drop. Okay, and I will look to enter the market. I expect it maybe just pop up a little bit further this week and then continue down. Okay, so I'm looking to get into this trade. I'll look to get into this trade at 132.900 or on a 1 hour or 4 hour divergence. Okay, so I'll let this come back up towards this my entry price of 132.900, and I'll look for likely a 4 hour divergence. See, we actually got one there last week, so this is looking well, good for a sell-off. So I want to be getting into this position, so I wanted to come up here to go to the daily chart. Okay, hit the 132.900 and then sell off. Okay, so hit there and then sell off. That's what I'm looking for the markets to do this week on the Euro JPY. Okay, so let's write this trade out. Okay, so sell Euro JPY at 132.9. Okay, in brackets, or on the first MACD divergence signal on 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Okay, stop loss. Okay, stop loss. I'm gonna say 120 pips. I think it is 120 pips. So 130. What's it? Yeah, it could go 130 pips. So stop loss is 133.2. Okay, and take profit is, again, we're looking to go lower than this last low. We'll show you now. So take profit at 128. Okay. Remember, trade at your own risk. This is what I'm doing this week. Okay, so enter. All trades close on Friday. Okay. So pause that, write that setup down, and we'll go over the reason for the take profit. Okay, you see we've had this first low here. I'm expecting the market to come down and take out that low. Okay, and drop a little bit further. If we look at the weekly charts, okay, the last area that caused the last high is down here in the weekly charts and the trend. Okay, you can see the market's swing low, swing high, then swing low. This is the last swing low that actually caused this move up here, so I expect this to get tested. Okay, between 129 and 128. Okay, so that's the free setup for the week ahead. One of my best setups. Okay, I do have 20 other setups. If you want to access them, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com. And yeah, have a fantastic trading week, and I shall see you on the next video.